Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay and today we are going to be doing a hair care product review. You don't know how it go. I did an unboxing recently on the ORS hair repair line of products, and today we are going to be doing a review. Now I know I have been away for a little while. A lot has been going on in my personal life and I really had to take a break and then come back. So I have been using this product line for a little while I was on my mini hiatus, so we are going to get right into it. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. Give me those likes once you like the content, and leave me a comment if you have anything to say. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
But in the midst of all his enemies, now you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get me free. Now you keep me firm.
Alright people, so this is a shampoo and this is the very first product we are going to get into. This is the ORS hair repair, and let me tell you something, all of this line has pepper mint in it. Think mint, and you can tell how this product is feeling right now. So it claims that it's a high performance scalp hair fix inspired by skincare. Never in my life me ever hear about that. Advanced treatment shampoo formulated to detox the scalp hair from buildup and also impurities that can clog your pores, irritate the scalp, and lead to dry, dull, weighed down strands. The ingredients are some mineral-rich rose clay, activated charcoal, green tea, active aloe, a whole heap of something. But let me tell you something about that shampoo here. It's actually my favorite product from the line. Alright? During all of my personal problems I mentioned earlier, this is what I have been using. Now you can't see somebody that I use it because it like it's soon done. Alright, and this is now a staple. Right, a lot of stressful things was happening in my life in the past couple of weeks. I may tell you, say when I'm going to the shower, I'm gonna put this in my hair. Glory, get this shampoo. All right, I love it. As of today, it is in my hair care regimen. Your hair feels buttery soft once it touches your scalp, and your scalp feels like you're in mint heaven. You understand? I don't think you understand. This shampoo is the best thing ever.
To this day, to this day, to this day.
All right, I have been looking for a shampoo of this nature, so minty, so fresh, so glorious, and finally I have found it. I'm not let go. Yeah, me say it. I'm not let go. The next product that we are going to go into is the Scalp Rescue Detox Mask. Let me get into the claims. It's a high performance scalp hair fix inspired by skincare. It's the same as the shampoo. Let me get down to the directions then. It can be used as a pre-poo or a post-shampoo treatment. Apply to scalp and hair in sections. Focus on scalp. Let me tell you something. Alright, me no bother waste this span the length of my hair because I know what works for the length of my hair already as it relates to moisturization. This product, and let me show you if I did not show you, this feels great on your scalp, and I need not say anything else. This feels awesome on your scalp, just like the conditioner. So I'm not about to waste my time, but me I put it on no length and no ear. I go back to my oldie but goodies when I know say work right there. So you see this, oh boy,
Bruh.
get the shampoo and the mask for your scalp. I don't know if this line has maybe a shampoo that Curlbox did not give me, not a shampoo but a conditioner. I don't know if Curlbox did not give me the conditioner, but these two together are awesome. I just follow up with my regular conditioner and it's great. So I already used the shampoo and mask on my scalp, and then I just deep condition with my usual stuff. I won't mention that in this video. So now we are going to go into the coconut oil and Baobab anti-breakage conditioning cream, and that's how that looks. And what I'm really going to do is I'm going to blow out my hair, because although I'm living in Jamaica and right now as summer, I don't know what compel me for one braid my hair. So I'm going to put in some fro locks, maybe for 3 weeks. To be honest, as you can see, oh, hold on, let me just show you how much I have been using this product. It's almost done, and this is the mask. It's almost all done. For the cream though, a little bit goes a long way. My hair feels moisturized when I use it, but it also feels a little bit on the stronger side. It feels like it has some protein in there, and it says it is anti-breakage. It's an anti-breakage conditioning cream, so I can feel that there is a little protein in it. So I'm going to apply it in all 4 sections and follow up with the other products. Alright, so you don't know the strips. Moisturize the ends before them dry out, because we don't really operate on dry hair. The next product we are going to go into is the ORS HAIRepair Scalp Rescuing Detox Renew Concentrate, and that's how that looks. That is how that looks. Alright, you will see that I also got, oh, the bottle look appears a bit, you know, white, but the product is actually right here where my finger is, as you can see right there. So I have been using this product, and I don't know if you noticed that I have this spot here which is like tension alopecia, and I see hairs growing back there, you know. This is the only product line that I have been using for all of this time that I've been absent, so I will attribute this new growth to this product. So it's in like a dropper applicator too, guys, so it's very easy to get onto your scalp in your sections. Just put a few drops through your hair and massage it in. Right, so the next product we're going to go into is the Rescue Plus Heat Protect Malted Benefit Serum. I did not mention, so let me just tell you that the serum also has some cooling properties, so it feels like peppermint is all up and through there. And I just did like 1 dropper to each section, and I did maybe like few pumps of that serum. Ooh. This is the first time I'm using the serum though, because I'm going to blow dry my hair today, so I want a little bit of heat protectant. So I'm using this, but it really and truly feels good. The heat protectant, however, has in some cones, if I remember correctly. This was the only product that has in cones. Yeah, it's like the 3rd ingredient, so it's way up there. It's a lot that would be in this product, but it has cones in there. And I'm not putting this on my scalp, just on the length of my hair, but it really feels smooth. My hair feels super smooth once this touches it. I'm just going to leave my hair out so that I can determine how I'm going to blow dry it. I think maybe I'm going to do the back in one, because my hair is so fine I can afford to do that. And then I'll just do the front part in 2 sections. Alright, so to blow dry, I'm going to be using the tension method. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that method. It's just basically where you pull on your hair a little while blow drying it. I don't have a comb, the comb attachment, nor do I use combs in my hair, so I will be using the tension method. So my hair is fully dried, fully stretched, as you can see. And just to give an overview of all of the products, in love with the shampoo, in love with the shampoo, and I will continue to use it. The mask is another love, you know, this is another love. And the scalp treatment is also another love. These are my 3 favorite products from this ORS hair repair line. I don't blow dry my hair a lot. The only time I use heat religiously in my routine is when I deep condition. The hair repair mask, nothing to write home about in my opinion. I'll use it until it finished, but as it relates to what I would repurchase, those are these 3 right here. The shampoo, which is amazing, it's hydrating, it cleans your scalp. You don't have any problem for the entire week. People like me with scalp issues, a little alopecia, all sorts of things where really need to focus on the scalp. The shampoo is amazing for people like us. And the hair mask, again, amazing for scalp care. The serum, it's not greasy. One thing I should note though is that the mask is not as hydrating as some of my favorite deep conditions, but as it relates to scalp health, I don't think my other deep conditions pay attention to that need as much. This, I don't use it on the entire length of my hair, I only use it on the scalp, and it is amazing. As it relates to whether the heat protectant sorry, I got a little hair on here. As it relates to the heat protectant and its ability to protect my hair from heat damage, I would have to let you know at a later date. You can follow me on Instagram at naturallysashagay for an update on this. Again, these 2 are neither here nor there to me or for me, but you have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you enjoy this content, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Remember to drop me a comment if you have anything to say. We will try to ensure that this thing, you know, is on time and every week. You don't know. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on another one. Bye.